Have you ever lost a grid of cells in a spreadsheet in Excel? The causes can be two. First, you should check if the grid is activated. You will find it on the View tab and the grid lines. If this method fails, the second possibility is that you accidentally colored the cells to a white background. I select the entire sheet and check on the Home tab that the fill color is not the white, but with no fill option. In both cases, the cell border method should be used to highlight the table boundaries. I select the table and use the border icon on the Home tab. Here I select all borders. This is because a light gray grid does not print on the paper, while this border does. Comment if you have any questions. Give a like, subscribe, and see you in next lesson.